Gracie, jump on Daddy's head.
Yeah.
Lillian says, I'll jump on his head.
Girl. I ain't gonna have no hair left in it.
Maybe, if that even,
Wow.
actually.
There she goes.
Yeah.
You come back up here, girl.
She wanted to go play in her tree, but she realized it was wet. Interested in buying a Monkey Lillian Louise coloring book or composition notebook? Stay tuned to the end of the video and I will tell you exactly how to do that. Good morning, monkey lovers. We are sitting outside. Billy just woke up and we noticed it has been raining, so we thought we would bring the girls out here. Ava and Gracie, I don't think they've ever seen rain, have they?
Oh yeah, maybe not.
Maybe
yeah,
not
they've
Ava.
seen rain.
I don't
They
think
might not have played in it.
I don't think Ava's seen it at all. I'm not sure about Gracie. Look at Lily. Why does everybody want to stand on your head?
I don't know.
You want to let her go? There she goes. There she goes. They like playing outside on the porch.
But Lillian said, I'll show you how to do it.
Lillian will show everybody how to do it. Lillian's a big girl.
Ava, you just watching? Huh? You gonna be up there for long, huh?
She's been playing on the porch.
Has she?
Yeah, she gets down and plays. Lillian, no.
Uh-oh.
Don't go out there.
She won't go to the
It was wet. She wanted to go play in her tree, but she realized it was wet. So the guys are going to be working on the monkey cage in a few days. So I'll do a video for you guys and show you all the progress thus far. That even,
wow.
Actually.
There she goes.
Yeah.
You come back up here, girl.
Lillian, you're silly. Who's that? Is that Ava? Hi, sweetheart. Look, Daddy.
Wow.
Look, Ava came to see Mom.
Yeah. That's good.
You get out and go play? She got brave, you guys.
Yeah, somebody's... Thought I smelled smoke. Looked at the fire over
Oh,
there.
yeah. Yeah, somebody's burning something. Yep. I was moving across there. So guess what, Billy?
What's that?
I finished my 4th coloring book last night.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good.
Mm-hmm. Now I've got some, got to get it going through Photoshop and stuff, and then I have to get it over on Amazon, so not sure how long that's going to take. Shouldn't be too long, and we will have our 4th coloring book out, guys.
All right, hooray.
Yeah, and it will be the alphabet with all the girls.
Educational.
Yeah, so I'm excited about it. I got all the girls in it. It's going to be really cute. I think y'all will really like it. So if y'all haven't checked out my other coloring books and the composition notebooks I've done with Lillian, then I will put the information at the end of this video and tell y'all how you can get your very own one-of-a-kind Monkey Lillian Louise coloring books and composition notebooks. Nobody else has them or sells them.
All right, yeah, one of a kind.
Yeah. Well, other people have them because they bought them, but
Oh, yeah. See, like, I'm one of a kind,
but
too.
you can only get them here on Lillian's channel on Amazon. So y'all be sure to swing by there and pick up your very own Monkey Lillian Louise coloring books and composition notebooks. And this next one has all the girls in it. Yeah, and I worked so hard. I drew all the pictures myself, you guys. I worked really hard on it for y'all. And we used the money for our little animal rescue. So every time you buy one, 100% of the proceeds goes to the animals that we rescue. Daddy, she was trying to climb up the chair on you.
Come here.
She's playing too. She's trying to play too.
Come up here
Yeah.
with Daddy. See, I don't have to climb when Daddy's around.
We still need to do the question and answer video, Billy, and we need to put the cat tree together. And then you guys need to work on that monkey cage.
Yeah, we'll do one tonight when I get home.
Okay. Oh, look, Gracie. Yep. Then we need to put the guys to work out there, everybody.
Yeah, may have to
On
go
that
get some
monkey
more
cage.
supplies.
Yeah. Can y'all hear that thunder? Wow, it got dark all of a sudden. Did you see that?
I know it.
Look at that.
Kind of cool too, breezy.
Oh, yeah.
I bet it's coming again.
Breeze just came.
Well, probably the trees.
Look at that tree, guys. Wow, look at all the leaves falling off that tree.
I know.
Goodness. Gracie has fun on your head.
I know it.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah.
Is it raining?
On my feet too.
Woo! It's blowing this way.
It's blowing in.
Oh, it is blowing in. It's cold. See, looky there. Gracie, jump on Daddy's head.
Yeah.
Lillian says, I'll jump on his head.
Girl. I ain't gonna have no hair left in it.
Lillian, get Daddy's hat. Tell Daddy, don't you wear that hat, Dad. Say, Daddy, get that hat off.
Yeah.
Lillian, tell Daddy, don't you wear that hat, Dad.
Don't do that, honey. Come here. Daddy wants to be lovey. Come here.
Poor Billy and his hat. Between me egging the girls on and them doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Billy, everybody on YouTube likes it. Lillian's trying to grab the rain.
You come up here and see Daddy. Yeah.
You getting wet, Lillian? She gets wet and then jumps back on you.
I know it.
Well, everybody, we hope y'all are having a super awesome day today. This is what we've got going on today. We needed the rain, though, so we're not going to complain about that.
Oh, never.
Yeah. So we will catch y'all next time. What's up, everybody? So I just wanted to remind you, if you would like to own your very own one-of-a-kind Monkey Lillian Louise coloring books and composition notebooks, you can go over to Amazon, click on the book section, type in Monkey Lillian Louise, and you will find all of her coloring books and composition notebooks right there. You can also click on the link below this video in the description box, and it will take you straight to Amazon, where you can purchase your one-of-a-kind Monkey Lillian Louise coloring books and composition notebooks. I have drawn all the pictures myself, so get yours today.